Efficient designers rarely build patterns manually every time because duplication techniques can instantly multiply complexity while saving effort. How to explore pattern duplication tricks? Start by launching Photoshop and creating a square canvas around 1400 pixels. Draw your base motif using any drawing tool and position it centrally. Instead of copying layers randomly, press Ctrl-J to duplicate the motif precisely, then hold Shift while moving it horizontally to keep alignment straight. Repeat duplication using keyboard shortcuts so spacing remains consistent. Select multiple duplicated layers and press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-T to repeat the last transformation automatically, generating evenly spaced repetition.